In this tutorial, we're going to go over LeetCode 1748, sum of unique elements. What this question is asking is it's saying you are given an integer array nums. The unique elements of an array are the elements that appear exactly once in the array. Return the sum of all unique elements of nums. You can see here in our first example, we have 1, 2, 3, 2, and that's turning 4 as 2's repeated twice here, so we exclude it entirely. Same with this example, we see 5, 1, so there are no unique elements, but in the last example, there are 5 unique elements. We can actually do a one-line solution here. So we're going to do return sum num for num in nums. So we're going to iterate over each value within nums. After that, we can write our condition if nums.count. So we're going to count the number of occurrences of each number. So through that, we'll pass num, which is the value that we're iterating. We can set that equal to 1, as we only want the values that occur once. This will filter out anything that occurs more than once. So for example here, this will filter out the 2, as it does not satisfy the condition of equals 1. It would actually be equals 2. Excluding it from our calculation. Now we can run this to test, and you can see it's accepted. We can submit. And here you can see this answer beats 100% in terms of runtime and 83% in terms of memory, so it's a pretty solid answer. Now that's you can do LeetCode 1748. Please like, comment, subscribe if that helped, and feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Now that'll be all, and I hope that helps.